The purpose of this video is to show how to engage the end joint mechanism only. Before placing any boards, check for damage or defects and check the joints for debris. When engaging the side joints, ensure a tight fit and plank lays flat. To place the next plank, position the plank on a 30-degree angle and slide the plank up tight to the adjacent plank and fold it down to as flat as you can get it without force. To lock the end joint, place the tapping block over both planks and tap from the farthest to the closest point. Check to see if the joint is flush, and if not, tap again but not too hard. A properly engaged joint should be flat. You can lift the board slightly to check for a tight fit. For each following plank, you can repeat the previous steps. Just ensure the tapping block is positioned across both boards and check to see if the joint is properly engaged, and your installation will be a success.